Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to search for lists on X, the platform you may know better as Twitter. If you've ever wanted an easier way to follow groups of people, discover topics, or stay organized with curated content, lists are one of the best tools. The good news is, searching for lists is quick and simple if you know where to look. Let's go step by step. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom or side menu depending on your device. Tap on the menu to open up your options. From there, you'll find Lists in the menu section. Go ahead and tap it. Inside the Lists page, you'll notice a search option right at the top. This is where the magic happens. Tap Search Lists, and you'll be able to type in keywords that match the themes or communities you're curious about. For example, if you're into technology, you might type Tech News. If you're more interested in sports, you could try football updates or the name of a favorite team. After you type in your keywords, the app will show you public lists created by other X users. These lists group together accounts related to your search. You can scroll through, check out the titles and descriptions, and preview the accounts that are included. When you find a list that looks useful, you have the option to follow it with just one tap. Once you follow a list, you'll be able to view its feed separately from your main timeline. That means you get focused updates on the topics you care about, without the noise of everything else in your timeline. This is especially helpful if you want to follow multiple industries, hobbies, or communities without feeling overwhelmed. Instead of cramming every account into your main feed, lists let you keep things organized and easy to access. So just to recap, open the X app, tap Menu, go to Lists, use the search bar, type in your keywords, browse through the results, and follow the lists that interest you most. In just a few minutes, you'll have curated collections of fresh content ready to explore. That's all for today's guide. Try it out for yourself and see how much easier it is to stay connected with what you care about.